Okay, we're on the final rinse and spin. I'm going to film the rinse and spin on here. This is the final now. I've got two pillows, not pillowcases in here. It's been a good wash action so far. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'd much appreciate it. Yeah, let's see what this does. The balancing's been good as well on this wash. Didn't think it would. Just get a close-up shot there so you can see the water. A nice little gap there just to see it fill up. There's no up there to watch, but you can see it down there filling up. You can see it coming up through the drum there a little bit. Yeah, I've been very impressed with this wash action. I'm on a 600 RPM spin as well, so it did say a hand wash, put it on, but I don't think you'd get much wash action with that, just to get all of it wet. So I just decided to put it on a quick wash on the 600, 40 degree, even though it didn't reach 40. So at least it's been washed anyway. They were allowed in the dryer, these pillows, so that's good. That's why I've also washed it, because they can go in the dryer. Look at that, that's amazing wash action. It's going up through the drum there, up the seal and up the window it goes. There we go. There we go. It does go halfway up the water level, so it's got a good wash action to go, and then it does a top, with it being the final rinse as well. Tops up once it's done its first rotation. So this should be a good rinse. As you can see, look. Yeah, you can see there's a bit of a gap, and it's been fairly balanced on a spin, which I'm quite happy about. Usually I don't think it would, but it has done. It's worked wonders anyway. Come on. Still filling. I just move away so then you can see the rotation then, where it does stop filling. So I think it's really cool, this rotation, how it's done this throughout this wash. Come on. It will work, don't worry. It will go around. It will rotate really well. just been able to stop and filling now. It's more or less half up the drum. Watch this now. Look at that's good. I like that when it starts. And it's not even absorbed the water as well, which is good. And I like it when it doesn't absorb. And that's the top up done. Just watch this again now. I'm impressed. Look at that. That's amazing. I'll try and get a good shot this way now, so you can actually see how it rotates. As you can see, it's balancing out a little bit now. But I am very impressed on how this wash action's gone. Silent Night. They're the pillows. I want a sponsorship deal with Silent Night. Final spin now. My auto washer wouldn't fit these pillows in it. So it was a 7 kilogram, but this is 10 kilograms as well. don't know if you can hear, but when it distributes you can hear the swirling of the water, and that's why it keeps pumping out. Don't know if you can hear it, just listen. Can you hear that? That is balanced out really well. Happy Christmas. Oh, usually it stops and that. That's a very fast spin.